These are Bluetooth headphones from HAWEEL. Not positive how to say that. I hope I didn't butcher it. But on to the good stuff. These work great for iPhone, Android, whatever you got. I used them on my TV. I used them on my iPod. There's a good look at them. They're really nice. If you're looking for something that sounds good, doesn't slip from your ears, being that they're sweat-proof design. They're under $20, which is great. $19.99 at Amazon.com. Even their shipping was great. What they ship in. This is the box, but they're very well placed in here. I really like that. In the box, a few of the items you get: extra earbuds, USB charging cable. There's even ear hooks, and there's 4 sizes of the little cones that go into your ear. So that was nice to see 4 sizes. 3 in the box and 1 on the headphones themselves. Small USB cable, but that's no big deal because you're not using them when you're charging, of course. 2 sets of the ear hooks, 3 total. The one that fits in your outer ear, as I'll show you on the actual headphones themselves. That is the outside hook there. You can see the design is like most others. It's a pretty basic design. My cord's all folded up right now for reviewing purposes. I like that they put everything on one end, as far as your LED light down there for pairing, and when you're going through your first cycle. Charging, also light. Your track skip up, down is all on one side, and as you can see right there is your power button itself. But great to see that all on one side. And this is a big factor for me. That is your USB charging port. They make it easy to open it. So you can see it's not quite flush. If you can see it in the light good. It's not quite flush with the product, so you can at least open it. Some of these other companies, their USB port is so embedded that you can't even open it. These are pretty simple. If I can use my left hand to get it. I'm not sure if I can, as I have a tough time using lefties, but it opened even with my left hand. But that's a USB port, simple design, but it works, and it's raised just enough to get in there. No other buttons on this side other than your USB. Like I said, I like that set up completely. As you know, it's just great to be able to run whatever you got going on, just even wearing them. And be able to control everything from one side. So +1 for them for setting it up that way. They fit. They're a little hard to get used to at first. If you've never used this type with the big hook on them, the big bend, as soon as you get them in, you'll wonder why you never used them before. Once they're in, and once you get the hang of putting them in, they're great. You got your one strap, which is great. It just goes around the back of your neck. Sometimes I leave it in the front, but usually in the back so they're out of the way. Sorry for the generic twisty tie, but they give you plenty of cable. It's not the thickest cable, but I have had no issues. I've yanked on them from here at the where it goes into the butt itself. I yanked on them pretty hard to give them a nice test. I had them out in the rain, or like a mist, and I had no problems with them even slipping like that. I wouldn't recommend using them in the rain or nothing, but I mean, they're pretty much waterproof. I'm not sure how much though. And like I said, they have the Bluetooth technology up to 4.1 now. I was getting 4 hours about of talk time, so that was also nice. These do have a noise cancellation, which is, let me see what that was. I think it's the CVC. Yeah, CVC 6.0. I'm not 100% sure. I didn't actually Google it to see what all that includes and what it does. But as far as noise cancellation, these are great. And if that has something to do with it, which it seems to be, because it's wind noise reduction, I loved it. I had no outside noise. You know, it was very minimal, and I was in some loud areas, and I loved them. Like I said, you can use it pretty much on any device. Pairing was simple. You get a nice, easy to understand owner's manual. These are just really great, and all that for under 20 bucks. I mean, you can't go wrong. They're great for the kids. I actually have 2 sets of these, one for me and one for my son. You can visit, sorry, I don't know how to say their name, but you can visit their company for more products. I guess it's HAWEEL. More products on Amazon.com. I do have more of their items coming for reviewing purposes. And you can get these in other colors. I did get the lime green, as you saw. There is a nice blue and a white with a green offsets. So good for them for offering some more colors. A lot of these are straight up just the green ones, which I like to have choices. But these work great. You can visit my website, techgeeks.com. It's TECK geeks.com. And I have more products going on there. So if you want to leave comments, you can leave them here on Amazon. I answer them here. I answer them on YouTube. And if you watch this video, could you please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you'll get instant notifications on when I post other reviews. But yeah, techgeeks.com, TECK geeks.com. We have lots of reviews going on over there. So run out to Amazon, pick yourself up a nice pair of these for under $20. Until the next one.